Hello to all the potential traders and investors of the crypto market. This is your boy Tapolo Banda from Black Panda Crypto / Black Panda Traders, and we're back with another one. Based on our last video, we were talking about ways to make money through Bitcoin, and some of those ways we talked about Luno, where you can buy and hold Bitcoin and actually stake Bitcoin. Well, based on that video, a lot of people asked, how can I get other cryptocurrencies in South Africa? Well, there's an app for that, and it's called Varl. Varl is a South African exchange where you can exchange your rands for different types of cryptocurrencies. As you can see, these are the prices of the different types of cryptocurrencies that you can find on Varl. You can find your Cardano, you can find your crypto.com coin, you can find your Dogecoin, Polkadot, you can find Ethereum Classic, generally any cryptocurrency that's making waves you can find on Varl. How do we use Varl? Well, it's pretty simple. It's a straightforward app. After registration, you just come to your ZAR, you deposit, and once you deposit, you're going to see a reference number. This is everyone that opens an account on Varl has a different reference number. So please make sure you use the right reference number when you deposit. After depositing, you can exchange your rands for any cryptocurrency you want. How cheap are the transaction fees, you may ask? Well, I'm about to show you. Here I was sending 6,800 rands worth of Bitcoin, and the fee was 0.4010. Let's see how much that is in rands. R6,800 need for 8 rand, and I could have sent that money to anyone on this planet, and the transaction fee would still be the same. So this is basically it. This is the Varl app. It's a very straightforward and simple app. Another thing you should know about Varl is on the top right corner, there are a few options. Then you can set price alerts, add transactions. This is your referral link that you can share with people. And you can add your banking account so you can withdraw your crypto easy. Wallet address book, add your different wallets that you can send money to, if you do send money via cryptocurrency. We have the exchange, where you can day trade on the app, but I don't advise that. I advise staking. It's better to buy and hold than actually day trade crypto, because the returns are nice. As you can see, in the last month, cryptocurrencies like Cardano are up 120% in the last month alone. So I think the crypto market is back, the bull run is back. More and more people should buy. Dogecoin is up 50% in the last month. Up 89%. So everything is cruising nice, cruising nice. So if you're new to the crypto market and you're in South Africa, I really advise you to get the Varl app. I hope you got some very insightful information with this video. I hope you get the Varl app. I hope you start buying cryptocurrencies. 50 Rand, start with as little as you can. Just start. It doesn't matter how much you put on the market will bless you. Trust me. Start with any amount. Start saving in your crypto wallet. The crypto market is in a very nice bull run. Some cryptocurrencies are going to be 10 times what they are right now, this time next year. Some even 100 times. So think about it. It's just keeping money in a safe asset that grows over time. Now that. And that brings us to the end of the video. This is Tapolo Banda from Black Panda Traders, Black Panda Biz. And if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share with your friends. And yeah, we're going to be back with more videos where we talk about exchanges, we talk about trading, and we have fun. We learn and we have fun. Like and subscribe.